Welcome to Review Rumble. The best RTIC Cup Lid is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who enjoys their beverages on the go, whether it's a piping hot coffee on a chilly morning or an ice-cold water during a summer hike. This seemingly simple piece of plastic or metal plays a crucial role in maintaining your drink's temperature, preventing spills, and enhancing your overall drinking experience, making it a vital component for your RTIC tumbler. Number 5. RTIC 20 ounces Insulated Tumbler. Meet your new favorite travel companion, designed for all your drinks on the go. This stainless steel tumbler comes with a secure lid and is available in multiple sizes and colors to suit your style. Experience superior temperature retention with its double-wall vacuum insulation and airtight seal. It keeps your beverages ice-cold for hours or piping hot, just the way you like them. Whether you prefer hot tea or a cold drink, this tumbler is perfect for any beverage. Its sweat-proof exterior ensures the outside stays dry, no matter the temperature inside. Crafted from sleek 18/8 stainless steel, this mug is built to last. It's the ideal choice for your car, camping trips, or any adventure. Enjoy your drinks without worry thanks to the secure flip-top, screw-on lid that prevents spills. Plus, its narrow and tall design fits perfectly in most car cup holders. What we like? This tumbler is designed for drinks on the go, keeping them ice-cold or piping hot for hours. Its sweat-proof exterior means no condensation rings. If you're looking for a reliable all-day companion for your commute or outdoor adventures, this is the one. What people say. The lid fits perfectly on my RTIC cup and doesn't leak. It's easy to clean and keeps my drink cold for hours. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. Number 4. 2 replacement lids for 30 ounces stainless steel tumblers, transparent. Tired of losing your original lid? These replacement lids are designed to fit most 30 ounces stainless steel tumblers. Ensure a snug fit for your favorite travel cup. Enjoy your drinks with ease. The sliding cover design makes it simple to open and close, preventing accidental spills. You can drink directly or use a straw with the convenient top hole. These lids offer excellent compatibility with many 30 ounces insulated stainless steel cups. Please measure your cup's inner diameter to ensure it's between 3.7 to 3.74 inches before purchasing. Our lids feature a silicone gasket for a secure seal, minimizing splashes and spills. An air hole in the slider also helps reduce splashing for a cleaner drinking experience. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, these lids are built to last. They are easy to clean and dishwasher safe for your convenience. We stand behind our products with a quality assurance guarantee. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us for excellent service. What we like? This lid offers a convenient sliding cover that prevents your nose from touching the cup while drinking. It's splash-proof and made from high-quality, BPA-free materials. If you need a replacement lid that's easy to use and clean, and compatible with many 30-ounce tumblers, this is a great option. What people say. The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. It's easy to clean and very durable. The sliding mechanism is smooth and keeps drinks hot or cold for hours. Number 3. Yeti Tumbler 30-ounce replacement lids, 4-pack. Ensure a perfect fit for your 30 ounces drinkware. These lids are designed with a 3.75-inch inner rim opening for a snug and tailored match. Enjoy peace of mind with a tight seal that helps reduce leaks. The silicone gasket ensures a secure fit, making every sip more confident. Maintain a cleaner dining experience with these replacement lids. They help minimize spills and splashes, protecting your surfaces during meals and celebrations. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade material, these lids are built for daily use. They are easy to attach and help maintain your drink's temperature. Keep your lid fresh and clean with ease. Simply remove the slider for a thorough rinse, ensuring every sip feels as good as the first. These lids offer a splash-resistant design, perfect for on-the-go or busy environments. Enjoy your beverage without worry. What we like? Get a pack of 4 lids designed for 30-ounce tumblers, featuring a tight silicone seal to reduce leaks. They are made from BPA-free, food-grade material for everyday use. If you want to ensure fewer spills during meals or while on the move, and prefer having spares, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. The lid fits perfectly and does not leak. It is easy to clean and durable. The lid allows for easy sipping without spilling. Number 2. 20-ounce tumbler lids, 2-pack spill-proof replacements. Introducing our premium replacement lids, designed to fit most 20-ounce tumblers with a 3.2-inch inner diameter. Enjoy a perfect fit for brands like Yeti, RTIC, and many more. Our improved stopper ring and double seal leak-proof technology ensure your drinks stay securely inside. Say goodbye to spills, even when on the go or with hot beverages. The flip part of the lid is designed to stay in place, preventing it from touching your nose. Enjoy your drink without any discomfort. These lids offer 3 ways to drink: slurp, sip, or gulp. The center hole is perfect for 6 to 8 mm straws, and can accommodate larger straws by removing the silicone stopper. Made from top-grade, BPA-free AS plastic, these lids are easy to disassemble for thorough cleaning. They are also dishwasher safe for your convenience. Please confirm your tumbler's mouth size before purchasing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll respond within 10 minutes during working hours. What we like. This lid boasts a unique double seal for leak prevention and a flip top that stays put, solving the nose-touching issue. It's also straw-friendly for various drink types. If you prioritize a secure, comfortable drinking experience, especially with hot beverages or while driving, this lid is a solid choice. What people say. The lid is a perfect fit for my RTIC cup. It seals tightly and prevents spills. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. Number 1. Yeti Rambler Tumbler Lid. This lid is designed for a perfect fit on your 20-ounce Yeti Rambler and 10 ounces lowball tumblers. It's also compatible with many other 20 ounces insulated stainless steel tumblers. Enjoy your beverages your way. The contoured sip hole allows for easy direct sipping or convenient use with a straw. Crafted from durable, crystal clear AS plastic, this lid is BPA-free and built to last. It's also easy to clean and dishwasher safe for your convenience. Keep your drink secure and prevent spills with the sliding sip hole cover. It helps maintain your drink's temperature for longer enjoyment. This is the perfect replacement lid for your favorite tumblers. Experience the convenience and functionality it offers for your daily drinks. What we like. This lid allows for direct sipping or straw use and is made from durable, BPA-free AS crystal clear plastic. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you need a straightforward, easy-to-clean replacement lid for your 20-ounce Yeti Rambler or similar tumblers, this offers convenience and durability. What people say. The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. It keeps my drinks cold for hours. The lid is easy to clean and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.